good morning and welcome you all dear children. So in previous session we have started our chapter unit 6 division, and in previous session you have studied what is division and what are the terms used in division. Okay, so what is division? Division means sharing the object equally. Okay, sharing the objects equally. And the terms used in division are dividend, it is the number which we divide, then divisor, it is the number by which we divide, and quotient is the answer that we get after division. Okay, and now we also know what is the symbol or sign of division. In previous session we have also seen the repeated subtraction. Okay, the method of repeated subtraction, it is the method of division. Okay, it is a long method. In that you have studied how to divide the numbers by repeatedly subtracting the divisor from dividend. Okay, so what is repeated subtraction? What do we do in repeated subtraction? We again and again subtract the divisor from dividend till we get 0, and the number of times we subtract divisor is the quotient. Okay, is the answer. The number of times we subtract divisor is the answer of division. It is the quotient of division. We have also done this question number 1. 2 I had explained, another I had given you to do in book. Today I will upload these answers of these questions. So now we are going to continue with question number 2, which is on page number 87. So please open page number 87 and get ready with your pencil. Now question number 2 is fill in the boxes as shown. And here first one is done for you. Okay. Now how do we write this division fact? Suppose 6 is the dividend, the number which we have to divide, by 3. 3 is the divisor. And 6 divided by 3 is, what is the quotient? How will you find? To find out the answer directly, you should know tables. Okay. Now here you should know table of 3. Okay. You have to recall the table and find out by how many times you get 6 in table of 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are is 6. Okay, 3 2 times is 6. So here the quotient will be 2. Okay. Now here what is the 6? You know the 6 is dividend. Okay. This is the number which we are dividing, which we have to divide. You know that 3 is the divisor. Okay, this is the number which we have to divide, and this is the number by which we divide. Okay, now what is dividend and what is divisor? What is dividend and what is divisor? Here the dividend is the number of items. Okay, 6. Here 6 is the number of items. The dividend is what? It is the number of items which we have to divide. Okay, among the groups. And what is 3? 3 is number of groups. Okay, here what is 3? 3 is number of groups. Here what we are doing? We are dividing dividend by divisor. And what is dividend? Here it is number of items and divisor is number of groups. Okay, so we are dividing number of items into number of groups. Okay, so here the answer is 2. Now what is 2? What is the answer? The answer in division is called quotient. Okay, now what is it? It is the number of items in each group. Okay, it is the number of items in each group. Clear? Once again, here what is 6? 6 is dividend. Divide by 3. What is 3? It is divisor. Equal to 2 is the answer. What is it? It is quotient. Okay. Now, what is dividend? What do we write in dividend? Which number? It is the number of items. Okay. Then total number of items. Then what is 3? It is divisor. What is divisor? Divisor is the number of groups. Okay. And here what is 2? It is quotient. And what is quotient? It is number of items in each group. Okay. So now let's solve the question. In first question, you can see in your book, the picture of apples are given, and these apples are shown in different groups. Okay. This number of apples are shown in different groups. So just count this. How many apples are there? 9 apples are divided into 3 groups. You can see this pink colored blocks are made, okay, to show the division. Now each group has how many apples? You can see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So each group has 3 apples. Okay. Now division fact is also written here. You can see in your book, in third line, what is written? Division fact. Okay. And what is the division fact? 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3 apples. How many apples are there in each group? 3. So the answer is 3. Okay. Now first question is done. Is already done. Now we have to solve question number 2. What is given in question number 2? The picture of mangoes. Okay. Now thus mangoes are divided into how many groups? Just see in your book and find out how many groups are made. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now just see what is written below this picture. 20 mangoes are divided into dash groups. Okay. In this yellow colored block you have to write the number. In how many groups 20 mangoes are divided? 4 groups. Okay. So in first block you have to write 4 groups. Right. Now in second line, each group has dash mangoes. Now just see in your book and count the number of mangoes in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is 5. Okay. In each group there are 5 mangoes. So in second box you have to write 5 mangoes. Okay. Now in third line the division fact is given. What is the division fact? The division fact given in written here is 20 divided by 2. Sorry, 20 divided by 4. It is 20 divided by 4. Now what will be the answer? What you will write in answer? The number of mangoes in each group. The answer you get is the number of items in each group. So how many mangoes are there in each group? 5. Okay. So 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. 5 times is 20. Okay. So our answer is 5 mangoes. Now please turn the page. Come to page number 88. Question number 3. Here the balls are divided into different groups. Okay. The picture of balls is given and these balls are divided into different groups. Now just see in your book and find out in how many groups these mangoes are divided. Okay. Now see here, this number of balls are divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 groups. Okay. So what is written in first line? 24 balls are divided into dash groups. How many groups? 6 groups. Okay, you have to write 6 in first block. Then what is written in second line? It is each group has dash balls. Now just see, in each group how many balls are given? 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can see in your book there are 4 balls in each group. So each group has 4 balls. Right? Now what is the division fact given? The total number of balls are 24. Okay, it is 24. The number is 24. You have to divide 24 by 6 groups. Okay, so 24 divided by 6 is equal to how many balls are there in each group? 4. So the answer is 4. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Now next question is question number 4. Which picture is given here? What is divided among different groups? Stars. Okay. Here stars are divided among different groups. Here how many stars are there? 32 stars. So in first line 32 stars are divided into dash groups. Just find out in how many groups this number of stars, 32 stars, are divided. It is 4. Okay, how many groups are made? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So stars are divided into 4 groups. So in first block you have to write 4 groups. Okay. Then each group has how many stars? Count and find out how many stars are there in each group. There are 8 stars. Okay. There are 8 stars. Now the division fact given is total number of stars, total number of items divided by number of groups, that is 4. And what is the answer? The answer will be the number of stars in each group. And what is it? 8. Okay. So there are 8 stars in each group. 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. 8 times is 32. 4 8s are 32. So answer is 8. Okay. Okay children. So question number 3. Question number 3 is make groups and fill in the boxes. Now here we have to make the groups and find out how many items will each group get. Okay. Now below this picture, the number of toffees are given here. It is now 10. 10 toffees are given here. And what is asked to do? 10 toffees are to be divided among 2 children. Okay. And we have to make a group of 2. The question is written below this picture. 10 toffees are to be divided among 2 children and we have to make group of 2. So, when we'll make group of 2, is already done in your book. We are making group of 2, okay. We are distributing these 2 toffees. We are distributing the toffees among 2 children. How many groups are made? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. There are 5 groups. What does it mean? It means that each child will get 5 toffees. Okay. Each child will get 5 toffees. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. 5 groups are made. So each child will get 5 toffees. Okay. Now next question. Now in next question, the picture of balloons are given. In each line there are 8 balloons. Okay. And total number of balloons are 16. Division fact is given 16 divided by 4. I have drawn this balloon to show how to make the groups. Okay. Now here what is written below this picture you can see in your book. Children, if you will not attend the class with your book, you will not able to understand it properly. Okay, so please attend your class with your book. Okay, now the question is 16 balloons are to be divided among 4 kids. Okay, 16 balloons are to be divided among 4 kids. You have to make a group of 4. Group of 4. So in one group we'll take 4 balloons. Okay, we'll take 4 balloons in one group. In this way you have to make the groups in your book. Using pencil and scale, you have to make groups in this way. Okay, now here you have to make groups of 4. So in one group I have taken 4 balloons. Okay, now 16 divided by 4. What is this for? The groups which are made is number of kids. 4 kids. Okay, now how many balloons will each kid will get? Each child will get 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so answer is 4. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. 4 times is 16. 4 4s is 16. So our answer is 4. Okay. Now moving to question number 3. Okay children, so question number 3. In this question the flowers are given. Okay, and what is asked? 24 flowers are to be divided among 4 and make a group of 4. Okay, these flowers are to be divided among 4 groups. So here we have to make a group of 4. So here I have made the groups of 4. In each group there are 4 flowers. Okay, so now we'll see how many groups are made. Okay, here the number of groups which I have made will be the answer. Okay, means it will be the number of flowers which in each group. Okay, so how many groups are there of 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so 24 divided by 4 is 6. Here what does it mean? It means that in each group there are 6 flowers. Okay, in each group there are 6 flowers. 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. So in this way you have to make the group and find out how many items will fall in one group, in each group. 2 more questions are given here. Question number 4 and question number 5. That I am giving you an homework. You have to do it by yourself. Okay, question number 4 and question number 5. It is given on page number 89. Next page. Now here the total number of stars are 36. Divide by 9. The division fact is given 36 divided by 9. Now you have to make the groups of 9. Okay, make a group of 9. So in each group you have to count the number of 9s in each group. There should be 9 stars. Okay, and then you have to see how many groups are made. That answer you have to write in this block. Okay, so do these 2 questions by your own. So children, that's all for today. Now new topics I will explain in tomorrow's session. Okay, tomorrow is 19 and you have to submit your copies tomorrow. You would have got the message from school. So complete all of your work properly. Just see whether all your name, roll number, class, section, everything is written properly or not, whether it is covered properly or not, and then submit your copies. Okay, complete all of your work and then submit your copies. You have to submit only copies, no textbook. Okay, so now we'll meet in next session. Till then, take care, have a nice time.